There he is. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This might be the best bluegill rod ever made. Oh my God, look at that tubby. Little female. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Jake Rush here with Outdoor Rushes. And today we're doing something a little bit different. We're actually going to do a rod review on a recent build that I made of a Mudhole tackle, or MHX 9-foot 2-weight fly rod. It's a 2-piece rod. Kimberly's parents were gracious enough to buy this kit for me for my birthday. Got it put together. It took me about 2 days to put together. That's with drying and everything, because you want to let these pieces dry, the epoxy dry on them for 24 hours before you hit it with water. So this is it. It's a 9-foot 2-piece 2-weight. Anybody that's watched this channel long enough knows that I love small stream rods. 2 weights, 1 weights, 0 weights, 3 weights, any of those small rods. I absolutely love them. When I found this online for a 9-foot 2-weight, I was super pumped to be able to get this in and build it up and take it out and try it out on the water. We went with the new wind grip on here. It's an EVA foam. It's awesome. I have not fished with the fly rod with one of these on there yet. I mean, most of my bass rods have them. But this thing, it doesn't, when it gets wet, it doesn't get slippery. It looks like it's not going to mar up or get tore up like cork does over time. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the traditional feel of cork. But for a rod that you're just going to go out and catch slimy fish with, like bluegill, carp, stuff like that, this thing is the ticket. It felt phenomenal. CBR reel seat on here, just inexpensive, probably the cheapest one they sell. Works great. Awesome rod setup. Went with the chartreuse or bright green wraps on here just to liven it up a little bit. The blank is just a flat matte black blank with no markings on there. They send the markings in the package, you can add them to it. But other than that, I mean, simple rod, easy build. Took me probably 2.5 hours to wrap all together, and I'm no pro at it, but you can see just wrapped it up. That's where the magic is. 2-weight rod, 9 foot, able to cast 50, 60 feet with it, no problem. It's awesome to get out there. No matter what you hook, you're gonna feel it. And that's what, I have a couple of clips here of a couple fish that we caught on it after I built it. Took it to Colorado first. Caught that big rainbow trout on it from the video before, and then we took it out to Canyon Lake after, caught a bunch of bluegill on it. And on the bluegill video, I say this is probably the best bluegill fly rod I've ever used, and that is the case. But it'd be great for stalkers, fish up to 12, 14 inches, rainbows, browns, whatever. Like bass, just hitting some of the urban ponds on this thing is gonna be, I can't wait. Overall, for a 9-foot 2-weight fly rod, the thing casts like a dream. I am casting 3-weight line on it to, just so you know, be completely transparent. We're using 3-weight line because all I have is 2-weight double taper, but it handles the 3-weight, probably slows it down just a little bit, but it's still a pretty fast action rod with a very soft tip. What's up, Aspen? What are you doing? You want to help me do this rod review? You want to help me? Alright, get down. Go. Go. I mean, I don't know what else to say. This might be, I'm actually going to get another one and build it up for Kimberly, but this might be one of my favorite rods that I own right now. And I have a bunch. The rod comes with a limited lifetime warranty on it. Mudhole, if you are into rod building, Mudhole is the place to go. They have everything. Their customer service is awesome. My original reel seat was lost in the mail. I don't know if somebody stole it out of our mailbox, or, you know, if USPS messed up. I don't know. It was gone. We never received it. So threw it back out there, sent them a message on their website. They got one packaged up to me, and it was here within 3 days. So they're super awesome to work with. If you have any questions while you're building a rod or any issues or whatever, they're always available. Just hit them up. Awesome. They seem like very cool people, even though I've never really just talk to them or anything, but they seem like stand-up people. I know rod building is a niche thing. Not a lot of people get into it. Not a lot of people do it, just like, you know, tying flies. It is time consuming. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you I'd love to do it. I don't. I'm not. It is time consuming. It can be frustrating trying to get these wraps on there. You can see some of my wraps aren't completely tight. There's some black in there of the rod showing through, but after fishing it a few times, all the eyelets are still on there, still intact. So we did something right. We used enough epoxy to keep it on. Other than that, I mean, this fly rod is a lot of fun. And for, I think it's like $85. I'll put the correct prices on here, but I think it's like $85 for the blank. You know, you got $20 for the reel seat. The handle's another $20. The eyelet setup is another probably $20. So you're looking at $150 roundabout roughly for a built rod that you built yourself. You can customize, you can do whatever to, and it's going to stand up to the test of time so far. I mean, it's a lot of fun. I can't, just to fish it is so much fun. You don't even know. I mean, fish from this big, like you see in the video, all the way up to 20-inch rainbow trout, it'll handle it. It is fun to catch fish on this thing. That's all I can really say about it. It puts a smile on your face every time you're out there, and the possibility of hooking something on this great little rod. As you can tell, I'm a big fan of this rod. Like I said, I'm going to build Kimberly another one. I might get a 9-foot 6-weight to build up and try out while my method's off at Sage getting repaired. I might have that set up. Not 100% sure. But if you are into rod building, if you do want to get into it, these MHX blanks are great rods to get out there and just start building. If you mess it up, you can start over, or you know, get another one, $100 blank. You're not messing up, you know, a $400, $500 Sage or RL Winston blank once you get it. Just to practice on, phenomenal setup. I mean, I am so happy with this rod, the way it turned out. I can't wait to get out there and fish it more, catch bigger fish on it, maybe take it out for some carp fishing, see how it holds up to some carp. But so far, so good. I mean, I am pumped with this rod. I mean, and this is not a sponsored video, this is nothing, but if you want to get into fly rod building, I suggest you check out mudhole.com. They have everything to be able to build a rod. They have kits, so all you have to do is order it. They put the kit together for you. You don't have to worry about it. It comes with the rod wrapper, the dryer, the stands, thread, epoxy, reamers, everything you need to get started. All you got to do is get the blank and all the components of the blank. So you can get into it, $300, $400, have everything set up, ready to go, and be able to start building your own rods at home. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, like this video, share it with your friends. My next build I'm probably going to do on camera, so let us know if you guys want to see that. If you want to see me start a rod and finish it on camera, it'll be Kimberly's pink rod. Oh yeah, today's Kimberly's birthday, so make sure you wish her a happy birthday. We went to Colorado last weekend, as you saw, so that was her birthday present for me, but she's still trying to use reverse psychology to tell me I didn't get her anything. So make sure everybody leaves her a comment. Happy birthday. Go to her Instagram page, wish her happy birthday. But for now, thank you everybody for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Thank you. Got one. There we go. You had a bite? All right. There we go. First bluegill on the board. Not a big one by any means, but we got one on the 2-weight. Got it. I might go out on a limb here and say this might be the best bluegill rod ever made.
Really?
Yeah.
That was a really good trout one.
Oh yeah. Look at that. Even guys this size are putting a bend in this thing. There he is.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. This might be the best bluegill rod ever made. Oh my god, look at that tubby.
Damn.
Little female. Look at that guy. Fish.
Oh!
Got a fish.
Oh my god.
That's a big fish.
Oh my god.
Look at that 2-weight.
Do you want me to get your net or the camera?
Get the camera. Oh my gosh, get the net. I don't know what it is. It's gonna be a while. Look at that rod. Look at that rod.
Oh my god. What'd you put on?
Red and green leech.
Okay, Aspen. I know.
I
You
just
know
saw my
what's
line twitch, and then all of a sudden I lifted up, and it was like boom! Oh my! This rod.
Is it everything you hoped for?
Yeah.
Aspen, come here. Come here.
Damn it.
Oh. Oh my god. It's going farther away.
Yeah. It is.
I don't have a drag on that reel either.
I know.
I gotta see what it is.
It's pretty big. I think.
Oh, it's so pretty.
It's a big rainbow.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! Did you see that?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's a big rainbow. This is not the rod for this.
No. You said you want to catch a fish that would break it.
Yeah.
It gets a lot colder when you're deeper.
Yeah.
Are you going to be able to bring it in?
Yeah.
I know, Aspen.
Come on. Wow.
I'm getting closer.
Oh my
god.
gosh.
I can't even hold it. I can't even hold it.
Oh my gosh. On a 9'2" weight. Look at that fish. Babe, get the big camera out.
Aspen.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. It's bigger than your net.
Yeah. The first Colorado trip, or fish, is a monster. Holy crap, dear.
I know.
Look at that fish.
Wow.
Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Look at that fish, dear.
I mean, like, did we just peak or is that going to be normal?
I don't know. Did you see that thing?